Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create your very own Instagram business account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app or web application. Tap Create New Account to begin. You can sign up using either your mobile number or your email address. Enter your preferred option and tap Next. If you sign up with email, you'll receive a confirmation code. Enter that code and continue. Next, create a secure password for your account. After that, enter your date of birth and tap Next. You'll then be asked to enter your full name followed by your desired username. If the username is available, tap Next, agree to the terms, and wait for your account to be created. Once your account is ready, you can set up your profile. Upload a profile picture, ideally one that represents your business, such as your logo. Now that your basic account is created, it's time to switch to a business account. Go to your profile, tap the menu, the three lines in the top corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show you the benefits of a professional account, including access to insights, ads, and contact options. Tap Next to continue. Choose a category that best describes your business, for example, clothing brand, artist, blogger, or similar. Select your category and tap Done. Next, choose whether you are a business or a creator. Business accounts are best for brands, retailers, and local businesses. Creator accounts are ideal for influencers and public figures. Select Business and tap Next. You'll then review your contact information. Add your business email, phone number, and address if desired. You can choose whether or not to display this information publicly. Your Instagram business account is now set up. To complete your profile, tap Edit Profile. Here you can update your profile photo, change your username, add a bio with a short description of your business, add your website link. Make sure your bio clearly explains what your business offers. Adding your website link allows visitors to learn more or make purchases directly. Once your profile is complete, you can explore the Professional Dashboard. This includes tools such as insights to track reach, engagement, and followers, ads and promotions, trending audio, frequently asked questions, content performance metrics. You can also set goals such as increasing reach, driving website visits, or generating leads. From here, start posting high-quality content related to your products or services. Use insights to monitor performance and adjust your strategy as needed. And that's it. That's how you create and set up an Instagram business account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.